Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to save a live photo as a video on iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to save live photo as a video. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. For example, if I go in my phone photos and then we will see this is the picture which is a live photo. We can see in upper side there is a picture writing which is called live. That means I have took this picture with iPhone latest feature which is called live photo. If you want to take any picture as a live photo, you can go jump over in your camera section and then you can swipe up and then you will find there is icon, just three round icon. Just simply click over there and you can decide auto live or on or off. I'm just going to click on, and then whenever you're taking any picture, that's going to be take a picture with live photo effect. Anyway, I already have a picture which is live photo apps, and I would like to save this picture as a video. So how you can do that? It's really very easy and simple. You need to click over there, there's three dots. Just simply click over there and then you will find something say save as video. So if I click here save as video, it's immediately going to save as video. So this is the video, that is the main picture, and this is the video. So if I go, we'll see just now I had just successfully converted this picture as a video. So within this simple way you can easily convert or save any live photo as a video in your iPhone. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.